Welcome to this Lignacite tutorial. In this video we will show you how to process a partial delivery. We will also outline some examples where you would use this function. One example where you might want to use the partial delivery function is if a product is damaged. Another example could be that when you go to deliver the order, some of the blocks are not what the customer ordered. You would then put this down as a partial delivery as you were able to only hand over some of the items. So, in this scenario we've completed our departure and we've now arrived at the delivery site, but we've noticed that some of the blocks have been damaged in transit. We will go into the job view screen, then we will press open to begin the delivery. On the deliver page, tap the container order and then press items at the bottom of the screen. Now we have a list view of the order and we can select the items that couldn't be delivered. Notice the items code is filled out at the top of the screen. Since we cannot pass the order, we will have to then press Fail Selected, located down in the bottom left hand side of the screen. This will then prompt you to enter a reason for failing the item. As it's only a few packs that are damaged, we will select Partial Success, as some of the items won't be able to be delivered. Next, enter the number of full packs delivered. This is the number of items that you have been able to deliver. The app will then require a signature from the customer to confirm this partial delivery. So clear the name in the names field at the top of the screen and enter the customer's name, then hand over the device for them to sign. Confirm this by pressing OK and then Next. After, you'll be prompted to take photos of the item. Lastly, you will be asked to make some notes about the order. Use this section to give reasons for the partial delivery. In this case, it's because some of the blocks got damaged in transit. The more detail that you can add in this section, the better. You will now see that like a normal order, there's now a green tick next to the items that we partially delivered. This shows that the partial delivery has been successfully recorded. If everything else in the order is fine, then we can continue with the usual delivery process. You can either deliver the rest of the items by tapping on each line and pressing Go, or we can press Pass Remaining, which is located down in the bottom left hand side of the screen. This will pass all of the items that are left on the order. If again something else is damaged, we can repeat the process of selecting the item and failing it. We'll then give the same reasons as before. Once the other items are delivered, as usual it will ask for a name and a signature from the customer and a photo of the items as proof of delivery. Finally, complete the pallet return form and continue with the depot return and end of trip procedure. That's all you need to know about completing a partial delivery for FlexiPod.